Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable optional connected experiences data in Microsoft Teams. So how to enable optional connected experiences data in Microsoft Teams? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To enable optional connected experiences data, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to the Privacy menu. This is already in the Privacy menu. Scroll down to find the Optional Connected Experiences Data menu. Tap Optional Connected Experiences Data to activate it. So that's it, tutorial how to enable optional connected experiences data in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.